Don't jump red, you fucking moron!
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, as you see me lay face down. And by the sword in your eye.
You fucking moron cunt! Fuck your mother! Oh, you fucking clown! A stupid fucking scooter. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fucking hell, man, really? Don't fucking do it as well, cunt. Whoa. Fucking buses now. No longer need signal. Fuckers. Come on, motherfuck. Oh, that is so clever. Bravo! Yeah, fucking smash a mirror while you get away from me. You fucking wanker! Why is there a bus in the oncoming lane? Fucking tit. Order it in. Yeah, that is. Always very good. You fucking moron. Oh, I'm faster than you, Premise. Oh, look, do a little. Yeah, I'm gonna do one as well. Fucking tit. Oh, God. Son of a bitch.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.